Good morning, kids! Are you ready? Great! Today, we're going to study about phonics. So, our words for today, or the word family that we are going to study is letter E, 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 D, D, E, D, E, D, ed. Okay, the word family that we are going to study is ed, E, D, ed. First we have E, D, ed, B, ed, bed, bed. This is a bed. We sleep on the bed. Next, E, D, ed, R, ed, red, ed, red. This is the color red. Very good. Next, E, D, ed, W, ed, wed, wed. This is wet. Great. Now, let's read. Please repeat after me, okay? Okay. Ready? This is a bed. This is a bed. Now it's your turn. Great. It is a bed. It is a bed. Your turn. Great. Keep practicing, kids. This is red. This is red. Very good. Next, it is red. It is red. Very good, kids. Keep trying. Next, this is red. This is red. It is red. It is red. Very good. Now, let us have our exercises. For our exercises, cross out the picture. So, I have here the words, and then you are going to cross out which one is it. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Which one is it? Red. Cross out. Correct? Great. Correct. Next, Bed, bed. Which one is the bed? Cross out. Great job, kids! Okay, you are right. Bed. Next, red, red. Which one is red? Cross out, please. Okay, very good. So that is red. Goodbye, kids. See you again next time. Bye.